What's up guys, my name is Wayne. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so today is all about facial looksmaxing, how to get the most out of your facial aesthetics and look as attractive as possible with the face, okay? Now guys, I'm sure a lot of you guys think I look like this naturally, but in reality, I put in a lot of effort to actually look like this. For example, this is how I looked most of my childhood, and this is how I looked 3 years ago as opposed to now, okay? So I put in a lot of effort and I've learned a lot of information along the years. So without further ado, guys, let's get to the video. First of all, guys, if you're new to my channel, I would love if you smash that subscribe button. I'm growing an amazing community on this channel. Also, guys, follow me on Instagram at Wayne with 2 S's. I post some really fire content on that platform as well. So let's roll. All right, guys, so I have an 8-step protocol to achieving your maximum facial aesthetics, okay? So step 1, I'm sure most of you guys already know what I'm about to say. You need to lose body fat, guys. So that 3-year transformation, it's about a 25-pound body fat difference. So I was like 210 in the first one, and then after I lost all the body fat, it was 25 pounds of fat loss. All right, guys, so whenever you shred all of this body fat, a lot of people think it just comes from the body, it comes from the physique, but in reality, guys, a lot of it comes off the face. So this is how the jawlines are created. This is how you get cheekbones. And not even that, guys. The fat cells literally store toxins that are poisoning you just by having all of that. It has all these free radicals running throughout the body, so it's going to cause you to age much faster as well. So just staying lean, guys, it's going to bring out that jawline, it's going to bring out the cheekbones, it's going to bring out that natural glow because you no longer have all those toxins within the body. So guys, step 1 to creating the maximum amount of facial aesthetics is you need to get lean. If you're a male, between 8 to 12% body fat. If you're a woman, about 15 to 18% body fat, okay? So this is step 1 to maximizing your facial aesthetics. It's going to make the world of a difference. Just looking at your face before and after a cut, guys, it's going to be freaking insane, I promise you. All right, guys, so step 2 to creating maximum facial aesthetics is going to be the jaw muscle itself, okay? So we need to build this up. We need to get some muscle right here. So guys, we can do this a couple of different ways, okay? So what I personally did is I used a mouthpiece during my developing years, because once you build up the jaw muscle, it doesn't really go away. It's something that you kind of keep for most of your lifetime. So I used to literally obsessively chew on a mouthpiece multiple times throughout the day until my jaw muscle would just be super sore and super tired. Now they have these things, guys, the jaw resize, things like that, which are actually highly effective at creating the jaw muscles themselves. So something like that, just have that resistance to really build up the jaw muscle. Now this will also help build up the cheekbones and just facial muscles as a whole. All right, guys, so the other part of this that I would include is probably mewing. Now, I have not personally done this. I want to experiment with it more. And once I do, you guys will definitely get a video about it. But it's essentially making sure that your tongue is on the roof of your mouth. So like go la la la, like that. And then wherever your tongue is, you want to rest the rest of the tongue on the top of the mouth, okay? So you do this throughout the day and you try to be conscious of it. Ideally, it's going to keep the face from drooping down as you continue to age. So in my opinion, it's more of a long-term protocol to prevent aging and to really just keep your facial aesthetics long-term, which is why I'm about to start incorporating it. But if you start doing it now, it will not make a world of a difference. That's going to come from the fat loss, okay? So this is step 2 to maximizing those facial aesthetics. Okay, guys, step 3 to maximizing these facial aesthetics. It's quite simple, okay? Now, it's just going to be sleep. You guys know how much I love sleep, how big of a difference it will make in your life. Now, my personal favorite celebrity in terms of aging is Jared Leto, because look at this dude in his 20s compared to, I think he's almost 50 now, guys. And he says the number one thing that he does is he sleeps a lot. So you have to think, guys, if you sleep 8-9 hours per night for most of your life, as opposed to, let's say, the average American of 4, 5, 6 hours per night, and they're being sleep deprived most of the time, guys, then your face will just not look good overall. Like, you're going to have those bags underneath your eyes. Your skin will not have that glow and that life to it, guys. Like, so just catching up on your sleep will really just make the world of a difference in terms of your face, okay? So this is the 3rd step to maximizing your facial aesthetics. You need to be sleeping 7 to 9 hours each and every night to really look as attractive as possible. Okay, guys, step 4, this one's a bit controversial, but it is sunshine. In terms, no, we're not talking vitamin D, we're talking sunshine, getting outside in the sun. I believe everybody looks their best with a little bit of a natural sun-kissed glow. It has to be from the sun, guys. It looks completely different from a tanning bed, and obviously tanning bed can come up with a host of other potential health issues, which we'll not get into in this video. But the sun is perfectly healthy, guys. This is our power source as humans. I believe every human should be getting some sunshine, at least 10, 20, 30 minutes per day. You know, like I include it in my health routine. A lot of people could consider it more leisure, but to me, it is a health routine. Getting that sunshine, you're going to have that glow to your face. You're going to look healthy. You're just going to look very radiant once you just get that glow to your skin just from the sunshine. Obviously, don't overdo it or else you'll start to look leathery. And just take your precautions too, guys. Like wear sunblock. You can wear coconut oil, which is actually a natural sunblock. So yes, guys, this is the next step to creating your maximal facial aesthetic. Okay, guys, so step 5 is obviously going to be your skin care routine. Now, I have an entire video on this, but essentially, guys, we only want cold water on the face itself. We really don't want hot water unless we're trying to open up the pores. And then castor oil is amazing to really just moisturize that face. When it comes to the face, guys, we want to minimize any chemicals touching the face. This is going to be key to having a really good facial routine. In addition to this, guys, exfoliation, I'm not sure if I actually mentioned this in the last video, but exfoliation is quite just crucial in terms of a good skincare routine. So maybe about once a week, guys. This is the recipe for the perfect exfoliation, okay? So it's going to be sea salt. So you mix sea salt together, organic sea salt, a little bit of olive oil, and then a touch of honey. So you rub all those in together, and it should be a very thick consistency, but still enough to be able to like cream it on your face. So you want to do that, put it on the cheeks, on the forehead, all of it. Typically I wear a beanie just so it doesn't get like in my hair and stuff. And then let that sit for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I typically oil pull while I'm doing this. And then at the end of it, guys, just rub it all over your face and then rinse with cold water. So this is going to exfoliate and moisturize at the exact same time, guys. And it's just going to leave your skin just looking just gorgeous and radiant at the end of it, okay? So this is the 5th step to facial aesthetics. Okay, guys, so step 6, this is going to be quite simple, but it's just going to be the hair on your face itself. So if you've been following the other steps, at this point you should be shredded. Now we really want to show off this jawline. So this means that we want to shave daily with some coconut oil, which will also help moisturize that skin in the process. And then we also want to be plucking our eyebrows. So like I mentioned in my video, we want to get in between and then underneath the eyebrows themselves, okay? So this will obviously just maximize the symmetry with the face. So you have that sharp jawline, and then the eyebrows are very symmetrical. Overall, it's going to make your face look much more attractive because people's faces, guys, they judge you based off your symmetry. So if you create symmetrical eyebrows, if you have a symmetrical jawline that's very chiseled, you will automatically look much more symmetrical, which means that you will automatically look much more attractive in society's just standard viewpoint. Okay, guys, step 7, you knew that this one was coming, but it is going to be retention. Now, this is for my men, but essentially, guys, once you do retention, you will have that glow to your skin. You will just look radiant, and if you have bags underneath your eyes, they will begin to go away, and your skin will automatically just look like you are literally glowing, just like a Super Saiyan. Okay, guys, so this is going to be kind of a strange analogy, but it's like whenever a woman is pregnant, she has that beautiful, gorgeous glow to her skin. She's just radiant. She looks beautiful as ever. And whenever you are in retention, guys, it's almost like that life force energy is just being absorbed in the body, almost like whenever a woman is pregnant because she has that life force inside of her. I kind of view them on similar spectrums, guys. So you have that glow to your skin almost like you are a pregnant woman. So like I said, it's a very strange analogy, but from personal experience, guys, I have kind of noticed that. So this is step 7 to creating those facial aesthetics. You'll just have that glow and that energy to your face. Just look very radiant. All right, guys, step 8 to having these facial aesthetics is all about your health in general. So just getting all the nutrients that you need, guys, not having any deficiencies, not drinking too much, because alcohol is the #1 killer in terms of just your face. It's going to have you age. It's going to dehydrate the body because you want as much moisture in that face as possible, guys. So we need to be drinking lots and lots of water, like 1 up to 2 gallons per day. Lots and lots of water, guys. We want to hit all of our macronutrients. We want enough fats, enough proteins. We want to have our hormones functioning properly. We don't want to be smoking. We don't want to be doing any of these things that age you. Because anything that ages you guys, it's going to just make your skin look bad from the first place. So smoking, alcohol, lack of sleep, too much sugar. Sugar ages you unlike anything else, guys. So we really want to maximize our health in order to maximize these facial aesthetics and just completely looks max. So guys, this is the 8th step to achieving full facial aesthetics. Once again, guys, I'm a certified personal trainer. If anybody watching this needs help with your fitness goals, hit the link in the description box for your free consultation to work with me one-on-one. Now, guys, if you enjoyed this video, I'd love if you left a like on this video to push it out into the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe, because I'm growing an amazing community on this channel. And that is it for today's video, guys. I love each and every one of you guys. Peace.